In the wake of a financial crisis in higher institutions of learning, some of the universities have opted to either scrap some courses or send a part of their workforce home as one way of addressing the funding issues.
The issue of quality, access and funding will always remain a trilemma. And so we are continuously working to address these issues using a multi-pronged approach.
According to the Principal Secretary for Higher Education and Research, Dr. Beatrice Muganda, the government was aware of the funding challenges facing all universities, terming it a global problem, adding that the state was keen to improve the quality of education with focus on innovation as one way of raising funds.
As a government, we have not made any statement about fee increment. We have not pronounced any fee increment.
Not say that the government is not funding, we get funded, but the demand for higher education and university education in this country and even outside this country has grown and has expanded. So we will say that the funding has also just to grow with the expansion of university education.
This came as it emerged that the financial crisis was compromising the quality of education in universities due to lack of enough personnel and infrastructure.
Worries are there, yes. We need finances, yes. But I don't think we are going to fold the universities and close them because we cannot manage them financially. We just need to be innovative and creative in terms of how we can continue running the academic programs of quality.
The chairman of the Commission for University Education, Professor Chacha Nyaigoti, defended universities that had either scrapped some of the courses or were sending part of their workforce home, adding that they were looking for innovations to address the challenges.
No government has been able to fund higher education alone. Funding of higher education requires partnerships. And these are some of the solutions we are turning to raise funds for our universities. We are also encouraging universities to talk to donors and mobilize resources from donors.
Universities are asking for funding. You know, if you want to increase the number of people that are teaching in the universities, you have to increase the funding, because once you get more people, it means there is more cost. So, but it's not just about the lecturers, it's also about facilities and it's also about resources.
Last month, universities proposed to increase fees from 16,000 Kenya shillings to 48,000 Kenya shillings for new government-sponsored students joining in September this year in order to deal with the financial crisis the institutions are facing.
Diligently. It's just a matter of
This raised an uproar by stakeholders, saying this will make the higher education be out of reach for the ordinary Kenyan children.